In today's rapidly evolving world, the industrial manufacturing sector is experiencing a remarkable transformation driven by relentless innovation and a relentless pursuit of efficiency. This digital revolution, fueled by the convergence of cutting-edge technology and manufacturing expertise, offers unprecedented productivity and presents a clear reality. The future belongs to those who embrace the power of digital solutions. Digital solutions have emerged as the indisputable catalyst of progress, empowering manufacturers with transformative tools that transcend limitations, eradicate inefficiencies, and propel productivity to new heights. By seamlessly integrating advanced technologies like artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, and data analytics, the manufacturing landscape undergoes a transformative shift, paving the way for an era characterized by heightened performance and profitability. However, it's not just the potential of digital solutions that captures attention, but their tangible impact. These solutions enable manufacturers to orchestrate supply chains with unparalleled precision, empower predictive maintenance, safeguard production lines against disruptions, and enable data-driven decision-making, extracting insights and patterns from vast information and guiding strategy choices. To thrive in the modern industrial manufacturing landscape, manufacturers must invest in digital transformation, liberating themselves from the limitations of conventional practices and embracing the forward momentum of progress. As the key to unlocking enhanced productivity lies in seamlessly integrating the physical and digital realms, paving the way for a new era of operational excellence. Furthermore, as we navigate the dynamic landscape of industrial manufacturing, it is of utmost importance to acknowledge the profound significance of digital solutions. By understanding the intricacies and capabilities inherent in digital solutions, we can more proactively harness their power, enhance productivity, and catalyze a revolutionary transformation in operations within the industrial manufacturing sector. So, without further ado, let's learn about digital solutions' pivotal role in revolutionizing the industrial manufacturing landscape. The first solution we will delve into is simulation and virtual prototyping. This advanced methodology empowers manufacturers to test and optimize their manufacturing processes and products within a virtual environment before physical implementation. By leveraging simulation and virtual prototyping, companies can mitigate risks, lower costs, and ensure optimal performance by conducting virtual experiments with diverse designs, processes, and configuration. It provides invaluable foresights, enabling manufacturers to anticipate potential challenges and devise solutions before their occurrence proactively. Next on the list is the Industrial Internet of Things, IIoT for short. This groundbreaking technology establishes seamless connectivity among machines, sensors, and systems, facilitating real-time data exchange and analysis. By embracing IIoT, manufacturers can gain valuable insights into their operations, effectively monitor equipment performance, and pinpoint areas for optimization, thus substantially enhancing overall operational efficiency. Now let's talk about robotics and automation. These technologies have revolutionized industrial manufacturing by streamlining repetitive and labor-intensive tasks. Integrating robotics and automation streamlines tasks, achieves precision, accelerates production cycles, and mitigates human errors, optimizing operational efficiency, enhancing precision, and speeding up production. This results in improved productivity, reduced lead times, consistently high-quality output, and enhanced product reliability and customer satisfaction. Another powerful tool is digital twin. It's like having the virtual replica of a physical asset or a process. Manufacturers can identify inefficiencies, predict maintenance needs, and optimize performance by simulating and monitoring the performance of machines, equipment, or even entire production lines through a digital twin. This technology empowers companies to make data-driven decisions, improve productivity, and ensure smooth functioning of their operations. Moving on, we have cloud computing and big data analytics. Cloud computing enables manufacturers to store and access vast amounts of data securely and cost-effectively. This data and advanced analytics tools allow companies to uncover valuable insights, optimize processes, and make informed decisions. By leveraging the power of cloud computing and big data analytics, manufacturers can enhance productivity, streamline operations, and gain a competitive edge. Artificial intelligence and machine learning also transform industrial manufacturing. AI-powered systems can analyze complex data patterns, identify anomalies, and make intelligent predictions. ML algorithms continuously learn from data and improve their performance over time. These technologies enable manufacturers to automate quality control, optimize supply chain operations, and enhance productivity. In addition to the the above industrial automation software, supply chain management systems, manufacturing execution systems, also known as MES, and energy management systems play pivotal roles in enhancing productivity in industrial manufacturing. These solutions provide seamless integration, real-time monitoring, and optimization across various stages of manufacturing process, resulting in increased efficiency and output. With that, we end our insightful discussion on digital solutions for enhanced productivity in industrial manufacturing. Today, we explored a range of cutting-edge technologies and solutions that are reshaping the landscape of this dynamic industry. From simulation and virtual prototyping to industrial IoT, robotics and automation, digital twin, cloud computing, big data analytics, artificial intelligence, and machine learning, we delved into the world of possibilities. By leveraging these digital solutions, manufacturers can optimize their processes, improve operational efficiency, drive innovation, reduce cost, enhance product quality, and foster sustainable growth, while staying competitive in a rapidly evolving market, leading to increased productivity and profitability. As we continue to witness advancements in industrial manufacturing, it is vital to stay informed and adapt to the ever-changing landscape. Manufacturers can unlock new avenues of productivity and success by staying curious and exploring the possibilities offered by digital solutions. So, stay tuned for more insightful videos as we delve deeper into the world of industrial manufacturing and the transformative power of digital solutions.